Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft Planner for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 5, delete a bucket. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for work or business. We can now start the tutorial. Let's now go down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Go to the left hand side navigation menu, click on applications, go to all applications, go to the bottom of the screen to explore all the applications. Now go to Microsoft Planner. Click on the Computer Science Videos plan. And now in the previous tutorials, I did create a bucket which is called Computer Science Videos. Now to delete this bucket, what we can do is click on the three dots, which is more options, and now delete Computer Science Videos. All tasks in this bucket will also be deleted. That's fine. Let's click on delete, and now the bucket itself has been deleted. To add the bucket, click on add new bucket, type the name in, CSV, enter. The bucket has been added. To delete, three dots, delete. Yes. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.